Howdy everyone, Stefan here from the French Cooking Academy. Today it's time to make a little treat for ourselves. Actually, I've been asked to make a little dessert, like something quick, and I thought to myself, I need to share that little recipe. And what I'm making today is the simple custard tartlets. They're known also as Portuguese tart, but this is like a French twist, so they're not really French per se, it's a worldwide kind of recipe. But today I'm going to show you how to make the very simple and delicious version. So recently we've seen how to make this, the pastry cream, and that was in our video on how to make the Parisian custard pie from scratch. And you got a step-by-step instruction on how to make a lovely pastry cream that I've got here. This is exactly the same recipe, you don't have to change anything. But I did mention that we also had a version that was using some pastry as well, and puff pastry. So what we're going to do today is exactly this. I'm going to use the pastry cream, a muffin tin like this, a tray, this nice places, not too deep, and this pre-rolled, pre-made puff pastry sheet, and it's all butter. And with these three ingredients, I'm gonna create these lovely, delicious tartlets. Let's go. Right, this is so easy, I really love it. So I've got here my pastry sheet, and it came in that plastic, so I can cover my workspace. I don't need to have anything, no flour, no nothing. It's great. The first thing we need to do is to detail these little circles that we're going to use to make the tartlets. Now, one little tip: when you got a tin like that, the first thing that comes in mind is you take a size that's just going to fit, and you think, oh yeah, that's right. I think that's all right. Yeah, it looks fine, but because this is deep, when you're going to push the thing inside, your pastry is gonna come like halfway in. So always take the size above, okay? So you can have a little bit extra dough, never hurts. And now, for the cutting. So, basically when you get this cutter, sometimes there's two sizes. You got this size with this little shape. I like to use these ones. And you're gonna try to basically use as much as you can here, all the space, and you start to detail. Now this is a very bad quality cutter. Do not use that thing, it's horrible. I actually bought it in some $1 shop because I'm always on a budget, and this is really a problem. It starts to become a problem. But until now, I've survived. So I'm gonna make some little holes in there, and look at that. I'm gonna start detailing. So you repeat the process for everything, the whole sheet. As soon as you're done detailing, you can remove the excess of dough. Now, always do this when your pastry like this is really cold, otherwise it's really hard. So you're just gonna try to remove all the excess, and everything should kind of come off very easily. So you do this for everything. All done. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of offcuts, and you can gather them together, roll them again, and try to make some extra little tartlets if you need to. Now, as soon as you're done, you need to put this dough straight into the tray. I'm not using butter because it's non-stick, so be careful. Take the side that doesn't stick, and you just put this inside, and you make a little tartlet. And you see what I meant already? Even with a large side, you just get it about right. So you repeat the process for every single one. All right, all done. After 5 or 10 minutes, this is out of the fridge. It's nice and cold, it's nice and solid. And I've got my pastry cream here, like we've seen on the video. I've added a bit of rum in there. And you're just gonna now take a spoon and fill your little tartlets. So you put as much or as little as you want, making sure there's enough. So you fill all of them, and then we're gonna put them in the oven for 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or 392 Fahrenheit. And that's it, guys. My custard tartlets are ready, and this is the result. Now, if you think they're looking good, well, maybe they are, but it did not go as smoothly as expected. Now, if you remember when I was saying confidently, oh, you can put as many or as little pastry cream in the casing as you want. Wrong. Do not do that. This is my really weak skills in baking that I've just learned now. Making these tartlets, if you want to do things right, you have to put actually a little bit of custard in the casing, in the pastry casing, roughly about halfway, because the puff pastry puffs, the pastry cream grows, and what happened in my case, I put too much pastry cream and it just overflowed all over, and I had like a big pastry cream kind of cake. Happily for you, even if it happens at home, you can remove the excess with a fork, it doesn't stick, put it back in the casing, and you can still get something decently looking. In terms of taste, of course, you will still have that delicious vanilla flavor with a hint of rum given from the pastry cream we've made, and this is a really good quality puff pastry. So you will still have a delicious time with your friend. In terms of removing them, they're very simple. You take a fork or something like that and they will, you see, they go out very easily out of their casing without butter. But that's it for my recipe express. Not the best, sorry, because baking is my kind of little gremlin, but I will be back for more baking videos in a midweek like this, just to entertain everyone. So I see you all next time for the video on how to prepare leeks, and this time we're making a cider velouté with cream. Ooh. Sounds really interesting. That's for Normandy, and that's for next time on Saturday. See you all. Bye.